Here's a guide to visiting Japan's Universal Studios with free exclusive discounts. Welcome to your go-to guide for an unforgettable trip to Universal Studios Japan in Osaka. Plus, unlock exclusive discounts for both USJ and Tokyo Disneyland or Disney Sea when booking through my Klook Creator page. How to get discounted tickets for USJ and Disney parks. 1. Visit Klook.com or at the Klook mobile app. 2. Search for Rona Travels. 3. Scroll down to redeemable codes. Click theme parks and redeem all the codes you want. Pro tips. Arrive early because park opens at 8:30 a.m. but lines form earlier. Download the USJ app for real-time wait times. Buy tickets in advance because tickets sells out fast, especially express passes. Plus guys, avail these additional discounts for Tokyo Disneyland and Disney Sea. Are you also planning to visit Tokyo Disney Resort? Get up to 15% discount when booking via our Klook Creator page. Are you ready to book? Don't miss out on these exclusive discounts. Visit Klook and search Rona Travels Creator Shop today.
Enjoy your Japan travels! Bye!